Christians and Muslim school clash now for Ilori. They happen seriously, and this one dey for Kwara State. For now, we know they are where the government been shut down 10 schools before, and as e don come reopen am now, this one don bring controversy, abi controversial matter between the hijab people and Christian people. My people, this wahala starts when Christians of Baptist school reject hijab people wey come. They say they can't enter the school. I not just they see the relationship, but anyhow, now so parents come vex. Parents of the hijab people, they say, how dare them send you out of the school? Are we not human beings? This one. Now Christians and Muslims now don't. In fact, they start they fight. They throw each other many things. Some they throw chairs, some they throw stones. And the security operatives now don't enter inside this matter because they try separate. Nobody they hear. Now so these people just go carry tear gas because now the only thing we go make people run and answer them. So I beg, I don't bring a call aside. For now we don't know what they happen for Kwara State. Join me, make we watch the video.
Bọ̀dá yìí mo mọ̀ ọ́n sọ́jà kí n bọ̀dá yìí gbé fún ọdún mẹ́sàn-án. Wọ́n pa lọ, wọ́n lé wọn kọ́ sí wọ́n lé wọn mọ́lẹ̀. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àti ìgbà òun ká.
After a series of gunshots, police have released a shot. This Kwara State in Lorry precisely.
This one a clear sign say people they look for trouble. No, see, una supposed to me by now. Me, I no be person way. I like the side one person side. I just they like they go straight to the facts. Because if una ask me, no, wetin concern hijab people inside Christian school? It is very simple. Wetin concern you inside? You dey go Christian school, you know say they wear hijab, and you know say Christians they wear trouser. You know say this thing you no go fit work. Now why Muslims they get their school, Christians also get their school? Okay, now you don't agree say you dey go Christian school as per Muslim. As you dey go Christian school, you suppose know say they get rules and regulations. No, see, I no wan make una judge this matter based on your religion. I beg. You understand? No judge am based on your religion. I no wan make we do bias. Make we no talk the thing as e suppose be. We get Christian school, we get Muslim school, abi. So wetin dey carry Muslim now they enter Christian school? And the thing wey even dey vex me concerning this matter now be say, even when the girls go the Christian school, they tell them say, okay, even if you wan enter this school, you go remove this hijab because you know they are allowed. Wahala come start. No, my people, make we just dey realistic. I build school. Now me name my school. Now me pay for the cement and everything. Now me build them. Now my school. Even if I no build them, sef, I buy them. So how you go come dey enter my school and you no wan obey my own rules and regulations? It's not dey possible. I don't know wetin I wan tell me, but it no dey possible. If you dey enter Christian school, my sister, remove your hijab. Because if we look at the other way around now, if Christian wan go Muslim school, see, Muslim, okay, maybe for now, but the ones where I know, they wear trouser. And they always they cover their hair. Now their belief be that. I beg, see, make we learn to respect each other's belief. It is very, very important. If you be Christian, you dey go Muslim school, they tell you say no wear trouser. Obey. No wear trouser. If you no fit obey, then leave. Government schools dey, other schools dey where you fit just where you go enter, you go do dress the way you want. This matter, see, these people just dey fight unnecessarily. I know they see the reason for this fight here. Go your school if you be Christian. Go your school if you be Muslim. Simple. Una just like, see, this thing don't happen before. This Christian versus Muslim, all those plenty things. It don't happen before. I don't just know why people no just agree to the respect each other's religion. This thing where they tell una about, una go take am like normal thing, but if we no tackle this matter now, no be the one where bandits and Boko Haram don't already they show us. This one, now this one go be the real war. Real war. Now this one, in fact, the way it go happen, the way people go they die, una no go believe am. Because now, my people, nobody wants another person's religion to change her. Like me, if I be Christian, I don't agree make Muslim religion can't change my own. And if you be Muslim, na the same thing. So I'm not going to just sit down, say person go won't change another person religion. This one, no. Respect is reciprocal. As you they treat people, now so they go treat you too. If not be for the Mumu government now, where they happen for this country, all these things not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to happen. My people, when are they tell una say, Buhari right now, he want Muslimize Nigeria. Una know they believe. They want turn this country to Muslim country. Now waiting me at they see. No, check them from the attacks, bandits, Boko Haram, everything. You know they give you sign. Say something now, they about to happen. All these things now these politicians just cause them. Because before, no, now today Muslim and Christian day. Now today they exist. We don't they exist since and peace day before. But now see them. They don't they tell some people some things. They don't they tell other people some things. In fact, this country right now, it don't confuse me past confusion. I don't even know which one save we even they go. We never finish with the one where they ground. Now religion fights don't start. Where will they go? I beg. Reason why I bring this matter out, so that Kwara State Governor, I beg, I they call you out now. You need quench this fire where you start, because now you start now. Quench this fire. If not to open other schools, open them. But I beg, make the Muslims get where they go school. Make it convenience for them. And the same thing with Christians. Make everybody there on their own. You understand? I beg, I no come here can support Christians, I no come here can support Muslims. Everybody get equal rights. But my own be say, no, as the governor, no go do something in a way where it go benefit other people and the other people no go benefit from it. I beg. The state is big. You fit construct plenty schools as you want. Very, very important. So my people, now I say make I bring this matter here because these people need help. We need to settle this matter, Christian or Muslim. In fact, the thing said don't even tire me. Before we go, yes, say people don't they die, people don't they very, very important. I beg now why I need to share this video. Governor of Kwara State must do something concerning this matter. Because and if you never subscribe, I beg subscribe and make sure say you share and drop your comments. I will reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next video. Nothing we don't go see for Abuja, oh. Hey, my people. Now this matter now, I don't even know how I want to deliver am, but I beg, make una open una ear very well because as I dey like this, I dey inside the mood. So see, just understand that anyhow you want understand that. Rosge, come agree with what did they call them? Their partners. Make I just use them like that. They meet on, so they say, okay, oh baby, what's up? Let's go down. I don't know where they down they. They say make they go down. As they can't agree, the girl can't tell her say, how much you go pay now? You know, normal level as they bargain the whole thing. Now so the girl can't tell her say, say na me na 15K I go collect oh. Instead of make the guy tell her say, babe, I no get 15K oh, I get 5K or I get 10K. The guy no talk, he just say say yes, I agree. Now so they go do the do. When they finish with the kululingus, my people, if una see, wahala dey. This one they call her we die here. When they finish, the kululingus finish. Now so the guy come tell her say, oh, got my money. Now so the guy 10,000 from 15K he enter 10. Now so the girl say na like today, I go show you where you pass from your mama womb. No be joke oh. Now I bring a corn aside. If you see this girl, in fact I don't give her name, name a Viper. So join me, make we watch the Viper.
Nothing person no go see for this one Abuja. Nah see you. Chineke me. They get your head down for ya. Jesus.
How much be your money? How much be your money? Why you no want collect transfer now?
Shebina, what did I tell you?
Now this one they call you don't jam rock. This man don't jam. Hey, Chineke, viper. See, even though I know they support this kind of work, like the work which they do, I know they support her, and I know if you advise you now to do it. You understand? I know they support them, but I beg agreement, my people. You meet person, you already know say now the work with this person they do, you still go there, you say now you won't do. Ngwanu, now you have done, you don't want to pay. Why I don't understand. Some men, you know, if you just use una mouth talk through sometimes. If you don't say you no get 15K, kukuma talk, babe, see oh, now this thing I get oh. You said you agree 15. You know say you know say you no get money, but you they go carry runs get. Today, in fact, I wish say they feel may they just change am for this man. May come become times 2. This work already dey this difficult for these people. It did nothing say they easy. Okay, even normal boyfriend and girlfriend now wey una dey do. No, how many times una dey do? Then imagine say in a day you must meet like 4 people before you go meet up your target, because according to them they say they get targets. You know they easy for them. So anything where you know say una dey discuss, abeg pay them. Because nobody send you self in the first place. You carry your 2 legs and your this thing, you they go, you say they find. Ungwanu, you don't find now. Some of these people, they know they happy with what they do. First of all. No, are they serious? All these girls, when are they see up and not be all of some of them, normally they do it because their friends they do it. Some people they like that. I don't see them. But others, they do it because of condition. You understand? So it no they easy. Pay them. I don't just understand. Some men una own too much for this life. Una own don't, in fact, you don't pass another thing. They go tell una date one girl, stay with one girl, stick to one girl. Mba, you say no. Say you like egusi don't tire you. You like banana tire you. You go enter salad. Now the salad you they chop like this, my brother, and make sure say make sure say after you chop am, drink enough water, or there you never see anything. If I be this girl, okay, maybe she know wear heels. Now that heel self I go even start with. Maybe this girl are new for the business, because I don't they calculate. See, my people, I don't meet many of these people. Me, I dey work out. Hey, I don't meet them, and I know their levels. This one, they should say na new person. Because normal level, they call her, what they call her? Pay before service. You go collect, they go tell you, say bros, you pay because of the kind of things where they don't experience. Matters like this. You go first give her money before anything go down. You go pay her more. You never start. In fact, pay. If I be this girl, say I go make her 30,000. 30. And as for you, anti-viper, you are as if say your blood don't. In fact, your blood don't over hot. You don't. After this one, where they try settle, I just hope say you settle like in peace. I beg. See, I know they judge anybody. You're not supposed to know me by now. I know they judge. But try stop this thing. No, how many times you want to embarrass yourself like this? Because this is embarrassment. She feel no see am, but see my people, make I tell you na something. Even ordinary boss, wey sometimes we dey enter bus. You understand? If conductor abi mate no wan give you change, maybe the change na 10 naira or 20 pesos. If they no gree give you change sef, if me I dey shame sef to even fight with them. No, that one no sex no dey inside o. I dey shame sef to start dey say, hey bros, my money, I go waka leave am. Not to talk of maybe the whole world come dey hear say person sleep with me. Hey, my sister, abeg, I know they judge you, but please, I know be just hard they talk to. If you dey watch me, you know say this thing are the thing wey they do. Abeg, I know they like hear that thing because they get statement wey some people like they make. I don't have a choice. Everybody get choice. I don't come correct una. Everybody get choice. Very, very important. No be joke. The people who una dey see for road, they carry pure water, they say. They tell una say na wetin they wan do. Well, una think say they no get garden, so that gundus too go enter pay them. Everybody get choice. They feel decisive to go they do the wrong thing, but they no want do it. So there is a choice. There is always something you can do in this life. I don't tell you that this thing before. They no born anybody. Wait till I go even call a skeleton. You were born with a gift. He gave something where only you feel do, nobody. Forget them. Even this music. Yes, we get thousands of musicians, but all of them get their. You get people, once you hear their voice, you know, say, this one and this one, this one. And something about you, they unique. So, Biko, I'm not saying that they watch me, and you know, say this thing, they think and wear. Something they inside you will nobody get. This thing no be work. It no be work. Are they very serious? No, I don't stop laughing part now. Are they very, very serious? You understand? I beg, try. If not to go outside, I know say now the country they hard, I know. But see, Ungwanu make I even use them from this angle now. You don't they do this thing since. Many of you don't even dey inside this business long time. And I just the hope say, even though na bad thing, una they save. Ungwanu the money now where you don't save. Why you no fit carry that money? Start something, stop that work. Now just suggestion, no, I don't know how they see am. You understand? Carry that savings, start something. Now what do they think? And if you never save, maybe they spend them as they come. Ungwan, why you no fit just enter any shop? Say, madam, asabi sweep. See, you get choice. Forget them. Some people start this life. All these big people where you see, not be all of them go they sleep around. You understand? Some of them are from cleaner. Before you know it go they happen. You understand? Now why I bring this matter out? You understand? So I beg. Think am. Sleep over am. Think am. You get choice. Very, very important. And when I know say I love una, anyhow way you be. People now why I bring this matter? So I beg. Start to drop the comment for that comment section. In fact, I still dey laugh because the gay action alone, it dey make me. Drop the comment for that side and make sure say you share this video. I bet we need help all these people. They need hear this message. You understand? They need hear them because some of them they feel say, see, some of them feel even want to commit suicide. You know. So share this video. They're very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you're not going to get matters like this. Stay tuned for the next story.